Alright guys, we're back with the recall, so I hope you've now seen the double off-leash recall that we did. Gracie, good. She's Johnny on the spot with that one. Anyway, let's just go down here by the water. Let's go see how these people's paddleboarding lesson went. If it wasn't good, we're not signing up with them. And, you know, I'm really, really disappointed that Neil, you know, doesn't want to give Thimble her lesson. Who wouldn't want to do that? I'm not let that dog... Gracie? I don't let him go ahead of me like that. This dog is very, very textbook, though. We're going to try to get the double recall. These two look so much alike. They're so cute together. Oh, here's the lesson guy. Gracie? 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 So how'd the lesson go? Gracie? Gracie? For some reason, Gracie gets scared of people down here. Gracie! Good girl. Last time we came here. Listen, Libby. Nobody even called you. Gracie. No, don't do that. Whenever a dog does that, if you do that, it makes it like you less. Oh, look, she's on the paddleboard.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm glad. That's the important part, man. I hope you guys come out with us again. Maybe rent some boards.
What do you guys charge for the rental?
It's $35 for an hour or $50 for two, and that includes boards, life jackets, paddle. And we drop it off, pick them up, wherever you guys go walk out at, you know. What'd you think of that board?
I like it. Yeah, definitely. Just like, you know, just
The quick turn and
I'd take you on a paddle board.
Well, there is one guy that comes down here with his dog, and you know,
Oh yeah.
that black lab.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this guy Neil was supposed to do the lessons, and he didn't want to do it.
Oh no?
Do you know him?
I don't. I gave you guys saw those cards I gave you?
Oh yeah, no.
All right. Yeah, I hope to see you guys out there. That'd be great. I'd love to give you all.
What do you mean out there? You mean out here?
Yeah, out in the water. Paddleboard.
Well, but it was for our friend. Remember, not us. We were just going to video it.
Oh, you guys can go.
hey guys.
These are some new paddles we got. We've been trying to let people try them out. The rubber grip is nice, I think. Yeah, I like that. I like
Yeah, it was comfortable.
Well, how far did you guys get?
Oh, pretty far.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went almost 2 miles before we turned back. You did good. You guys made it real far. A lot of people don't make it that far.
Then they just say we got to go back.
It was great. It was a lot of fun.
We have a loop that we run sometimes, but that turns into about a 3-mile loop, and I don't know it as well as the owner, so I don't usually take it.
Gracie! Hey.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. I had a lot of fun.
Take care of it.
Gracie! I wasn't sure if it was a tipping type business. We have to plan ahead. We wouldn't want to not tip if it was a tipping business.
Yeah, I mean, there's no obligation, but it's nice, and I definitely try hard to make it fun.
I
That's
can
the
tell.
important part. I mean, you can come out here and anybody can teach. You can keep anybody safe, but you want to make it fun. You want people to come back.
But did you see any wildlife?
We saw a pink spoonlet. It's pretty rare to see it.
Oh, really? Were you taking pictures of them?
Oh yeah, we take pictures. We put them all up on Facebook and stuff like that. You guys have never done paddleboarding before?
No, I told you, it's for our friend.
I know, but you guys are the ones talking to me, so I'd like to see you guys.
Well, she doesn't
out on
speak. Crystal wants to.
I go paddleboarding.
Crystal wants to go paddleboarding.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is.
Chris has grass in her butt. Chris is like, yeah. That's what happens when you eat grass.
You guys stay in the area?
No, I live out in Samsula.
Oh, okay. I was doing some work out in Samsula to do some blueberry farm.
Where?
Off power line.
Yeah.
On the racetrack.
Yeah.
I was building a blueberry farm.
Really?
Really?
Well, how do you build a blueberry farm?
You set up the bedding, till the land, set up irrigation, trenching, pipe work, all that kind of stuff, set up timers, mist beds, greenhouse. That way they can take tissue cultures and cloning and things like that. Yep, it's going to be a legitimate setup he's got.
Interesting.
You're bleeding.
Uh-oh. Gracie bit me.
I don't know.
All right, we gotta go. First aid.